The Barbie Malibu truck, it's cruising into town this weekend with its sunshine and 70s beach vibes. And you can check out its new makeover at the Roseville pop-up event. Barbie truck spokesperson Hanny Peng is here now to talk about the truck's tour. And it's also the 50th anniversary of the original California girl, Malibu Barbie. Hey, Hanny.
Hi, how are you? Good morning.
I'm doing well. I'm so excited. I have to admit, growing up, I definitely loved my Barbies. I was a Barbie girl. But talk about this pop-up event, this tour. What is it and why are you doing it?
So the Barbie Truck Totally Throwback Malibu Tour, it's an outdoor pop-up event. We want to spread the love of Barbie. This year we are doing, the Malibu Barbie themed apparel and accessories to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Malibu Barbie. We launched in the fall of 2019 to celebrate the 60th anniversary of Barbie. So, we kind of changed up the theme this year. Everything is like 70s beachy vibes, very like relaxed. It's just everything's like really cool.
Very cool. So we're pretty lucky that locally in Roseville, you guys are going to be stopping there this weekend. What can people find at the truck? What happens at the event?
So our truck, it's a pop-up truck. We just sell just really cool merchandise, and everything is exclusive to the truck and themed for the Malibu anniversary. So we'll have everything's like very beachy. So we have things like our tote bag, which it's like a burlap tote bag. It's
Ooh,
lined. It's great.
I love it.
It'll fit. It'll fit things like the beach towel I have behind me. It's a nice lightweight beach towel, dries quickly. It's great for, actually using at the beach. Can't forget the thermal
Of
bottle.
course. Very cute.
And a fan favorite has been this bucket hat. It's a cool tie-dye pink and white bucket hat. Has it embroidered Barbie right here.
Oh, yeah, that tie-dye, it's so hot right now. So, yeah, like I was saying,
Yes.
we're lucky that we're getting this in our area in Roseville because you're not stopping in every city. How many cities are on the
No.
tour? And then it's just the one day you're going
Um,
to be here.
Yeah, so we're just going to be there for one day from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. We've been in 30 cities around the country. We're going to continue our tour down the California coast and out towards Texas this year. And then next year, we'll be heading out more to the East Coast.
Hanny, talk a little bit about why Barbie is so iconic and what people love. I mean, obviously, there's bright colors, great vibes. A lot of us have some fond memories attached to our younger years and playing with Barbies. But what is it about Barbie that's just so exciting?
I think, she's her and her friends are something to strive for. She's always expanding like different careers, and she's just been a role model to generations of girls and boys around the world. And so I think like everyone can kind of relate to, one of the Barbies out there, one of Barbie or her friends.
Yeah, and for some reason, Malibu Barbie is super popular. Obviously, there's so many different kinds of Barbie. But Malibu Barbie, definitely iconic. And like we said, she's celebrating 50 years. Now, some of the items that you mentioned are going to be for sale. Are those exclusive to the pop-up truck? Like, is this the only place you can find some of this stuff?
Yes. Yes. So everything that we sell is exclusive to our truck and to our events.
Okay. And I'm looking at your Barbie necklace. That's kind of
Oh,
cool.
yeah.
Very cool, very cool. What are some of your favorite items? Like what are some of the hot items when you go to the different cities and you roll into town and everybody wants them?
I definitely think this shirt, right? The shirt is it's a simple one, but it's also just very easy to wear, cool to style. And my personal favorites are the bottle and the tote bag.
Very
And
cool.
we do also have a very cool denim jacket. I actually don't have that one with me, but it has the Malibu, our tour logo embroidered on the back.
Oh, that's super cool. Yeah, I think I saw a picture of that one. And what's the kind of
Yeah,
response
there
you
we go.
get when you roll into town? Are there long lines? Are Barbie fans just losing their minds?
Yeah, we definitely get the very dedicated Barbie fans come out, and a lot of times they'll bring their dolls or they'll come dressed up, and it's a really fun event because a lot of Barbie fans will just be able to congregate and get to know each other, and when they're in line, they make new friends.
This is awesome. Like I said, I saw that truck and I was excited. Hanny, thank you so much for telling us about what's coming to Roseville this weekend. And you can find out about all of the Malibu truck stops on Instagram at Barbie Truck Tour.